Hey there. So now the site is live. This is the fun part. This is where the creative side of things comes in. So, we're excited we've launched the site. I hope you're as excited as we are. But the question is, like, we've gone through this work, right? We've done this whole project. Your site's complete. Now what? So we're looking for ways to get this site known. And the first thing that you really want to do now that your site's complete and it's out there in the world is to really spread the word. Finding a few different places that you can share the fact that you just launched a brand new site to get traffic to your site is going to help with search engine optimization. It's going to make sure Google can go through the site, find out exactly where you are, what you've done. Your site is live again. It's living, it's breathing, it's brand new. So there's a few different ways we can do that. The first one is if you have a newsletter. If you have any kind of a newsletter with a built-up audience, those people care about you. And that means that they want to know what's going on with you. So the first thing you can do is create a newsletter, send it out, and let people know. Let them know that you've got a brand new site, and definitely spread how they can get value from this. Share with them. Not just the fact that you've got a new site, hey, look at me, but I have a new site and here's what it offers to you. And the second thing is social media. I mean, that one's an obvious one, right? Tell your friends, tell your private network, tell your business network in general, so that people can spread the word and say, look, these people have a brand new site, check it out, and here's why. So you can have your army of loyal followers to help spread the word. Again, bringing traffic to your site, helping Google go through your site quicker, makes your search engine results even better, and makes your authority even stronger. And then it's your personal network. Your personal network is one that those people, like, that's your friends, right? That's your close confidants. Those people you have to share this with. Tell them, I've got a brand new project that's complete. There's a great opportunity to give valuable feedback too from people that you really, really trust. Tell them, hey, we just launched our site. I'd love it if you take a look through it. Here's what we were trying to accomplish. Did we do a good job in accomplishing that? And then that leads into the next set of revisions, things that we can do to continue to make the site even better. Is that we always want to get feedback. We do it in operations. We do it in our business, right? How do we get better? How can we better serve our customers? And we get that from feedback. So you got to go out there and connect with your network and ask them. The second thing is to ask for reviews. People are going to search online for your business or for businesses like yours. You need to get that feedback, and you need to have great high quality reviews. And there's a few places you can do that, a few ways you can do that. The first one is Google. You want to have great reviews on Google. You want to ask for Google reviews, because when people search for a type of business that your business would come up in a search result, they're going to see those results. They're going to see your ranking. They're going to see your rating. So you want to make sure that those stand above the rest. Go out and ask them. We even linked up in this page, if a little bit lower in the page, you're going to find a link generator where you can search your business and it will create a link specifically to the Google review. So when someone clicks it on your website, they go and the review screen pops up. They can actually give you a rating, 1 to 5 stars, leave a review. And it's simple, very low friction for them. It's great for you. The second one is Facebook. I mean, that's an obvious one, right? Not just Facebook, but any social media. Anytime someone talks about you is really great. We mentioned that before, but Facebook is one of those places where the reviews are becoming very trusted. People go to Facebook to find different types of businesses. So getting reviews on Facebook is a huge, huge, huge win. Don't be afraid to ask your friends, post it on your business page, share it on your personal page, and ask for people to go and review your business. If it's people you've worked with before, say, I know we didn't ask you in the past. I would love for you to share your experiences and what you liked about working with us. It's a great way to do it. And then there's the testimonials. Testimonials they're great. I mean, they breed validity. They bring credibility to your business. So ask people for those, and you can take from Google and Facebook and screenshot those and put them on your website. It continues to keep your site feeling alive and growing and evolving. And it also brings that credibility that we're looking for here with those reviews. The third step is to really keep things updated. A lot of people think that a website is one of those you just build and then it's perfect, it's done, and it's over. And that's not the case. Websites should evolve. Just like your business, they're going to continue to change and grow. And so there's a few things that you can update, to really make sure that your site feels fresh. And then when people come back to it, they want to come back to it because they feel like you're putting effort into it. And the first one is just images. If you have a big header image or a hero image on your site, when you people first go to it on the homepage, you can change that image up. Change it up every few months, every 6 months or so, or 3 months, or whatever you feel really comfortable doing. You got a great picture. It really accurately reflects your business. Go ahead and put it up there. That's a great way to do it. It makes it feels like your site is alive. And it's one of those things that keeps it going, keeps it strong. The next thing is just your layout. And by the layout, I mean, like, you can change minor things, move some things around, restructure your sections. There's a few things that you can do, and we're happy to take care of that for you. As we mentioned throughout this process, our safety plans are one of those things that we do to make sure that you don't have to spend the time doing your website and doing updates on it if you don't want to. We're happy to take care of that for you. It's a great added benefit, I think, to your business, and it's something that we can handle for you. But you definitely want to make sure that your site and the layout and the look and vibe and feel continue to evolve. And that leads me into the third one, which is content. Your services will never stay the same. Very frequently, like, you're going to tweak them, you're going to try things, you're going to maybe roll out new services, and that's natural. That's what we do. And so updating content and making sure that stuff stays fresh is very, very, very important. So that's another one of those things you want to keep updated on your site. And the next piece, we're talking about content creation. There's a few ways that you can create content for your website. No matter what industry you're in, you're going to be a pro. You're going to have professionals in your business, right? And you're going to know something about a topic that other people want to know about. So if you have the time, even internally, or hiring external copywriters to write blog posts for you, blog posts are huge because Google does not rank websites. They rank pages, and pages and your ability to rank higher only comes from creating more content. And blog posts are a great way to do it. Find part of your business and become the authority on the written form in your blog about it. Find those great keywords, partner with an SEO partner, which we do have some great partners. If you don't have an idea of anyone that you would like to work with, or don't know anyone who does SEO, we can absolutely connect you. We've got some great partners. But they can continue to help you build your business and help it so that people find your website. And that's where the magic is. It doesn't matter how great of a build it is, how pretty it is. If there aren't people going to it, we've built a really pretty brochure, but it's not going to do much for you. So we've got to get people going to your site, and that can be done through blog posts. Another thing is new pages. As your services, we mentioned, could possibly change, your approach to your business could change. There's a lot of reasons why the content and the layout and the pages on your site might change. And that's a great way to continue to create content by adding in new pages, new services, and new events, depending on what your business is. There's a lot of opportunity there. And then going back and updating the pages that are already there. They kind of tie back into the content updates, from the last step. But updating the pages, you can go in and keep your content updated, and it's going to give you the absolute best chance to be found. Google's looking for updates. They're looking for relevant and timely content. So make sure that your stuff stays very, very fresh, very up to date, and very much a reflection of who your business is today. And then the final part here of what's next is really having that safety net, having a plan for your website. You all just partnered with us. You trusted us to build a great website. And if we made it to this point, I know that you feel really good about the product that you have. And the biggest thing is to make sure that it's protected. It's just like your home. It's just like your car. It's just like any other big investment in your business, your house. You always have business insurance. You have homeowners insurance. You have car insurance. Those are investments. Those are things that help make your life better or drive results in your business. You want to do the same thing with your website. And again, we mentioned our safety plans. That's a great way to do it. It's very affordable. Starting, you can actually click on the link at the bottom of this page to see the current pricing for our safety plans. And they're very affordable, great ways to protect your website, make sure it's backed up, make sure it's safe, make sure that if anything catastrophic happens, if hackers come and just attack your website, that there's a plan in place to bring it back online safely, quickly, and effectively. So that's what the safety plan is all about. And if you feel like you don't want to do updates on your end, our team's happy to do that as well. And we've got the Safety Plan Pro, which also has an hour worth of retainer time at an even more discounted rate. So people who join our safety plans get a discounted rate from our regular hourly rate. And then if you're on the Safety Plan Pro, it's actually a little bit cheaper for that first hour of retainer that you have with us. So use it and let us be the ones to can really help make your website stay tip-top shape, make sure that it's efficient, make sure it's running well, and make sure that it's safe in case something just not good happens. So we're looking forward to it. We mentioned about reviews and how important that is. So at the very bottom of this page, if you wouldn't mind, please take a minute or two, click on that write a Google review, leave us a review so that you can also help us be found and get those next clients as well. And if you have any friends who are looking for a web designer, please feel free to share our contact. We'd love to talk to them and love to continue this. But I know this isn't the end of the road. This isn't the end of our journey. So I look forward to continuing what has been a really fun time. Thank you for trusting us to do your website. And we'll see you later. We'll definitely talk to you soon. Have an awesome day.